What is the average labor cost to install a 50-gallon gas water heater? This is a question many homeowners in South Lake Tahoe ask when they are planning a replacement and trying to budget correctly. For a standard replacement, labor typically ranges from about $400 to $1,000. That assumes the new water heater is the same size and fuel type, and that the existing gas line and venting are in good condition. Labor costs increase when extra work is required, such as gas line upgrades, venting modifications, permit work, or code compliance updates. In South Lake Tahoe, older homes often need additional safety updates for gas water heaters. Things like venting changes, seismic strapping, or gas shutoff upgrades can add labor time, but they are critical for safe operation and passing inspection. If you're replacing a gas water heater, the lowest labor price is not always the best value. Proper installation protects your home, your warranty, and your safety. Call Rudy's Plumbing and Heating for an accurate, upfront estimate based on your home. Schedule your water heater installation, drain cleaning, water heater repair, or emergency plumber service today.